That's a fish. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. First fish of the day, a beautiful smallmouth bass. Oh, it's a huge bass. It's huge. What a tank. That's definitely a personal best bass for me. This thing's huge. Oh, it's a big pike. Oh, a huge pike. This might be one of my biggest pike ever. Look how long that sucker is.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Driftless Outdoor Dad. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining us. We're gonna be doing some fishing here on the Mississippi River, like what we do a lot because that's where I live. We're gonna be underneath a dam today where there's just been tons of huge fish, all different kinds of species. As the water warms up, a lot more species start biting. I'm really pumped about that. We're mainly gonna be throwing swim baits today. I'll have a hook with a worm out in some spots, but yeah, we're gonna be fishing by the dam. We might fish a couple other spots along the river down the way, and we're just gonna see what we catch today. I'm really pumped. I am pumped. I love fishing in spring. But as always, before we go on, don't forget to subscribe to this channel right now. Please do it. I would love your subscription. It helps this channel grow, and I want to grow this channel as quickly as I possibly can. So please subscribe right now. Now, let's get to some fishing. Here we go.
All right, here we go. Let's catch a fish. That's a fish. There we go. There we go. There we hooked. Oh, something's chasing him though. Oh, it's a smallmouth. There we go. Oh, get up here. Yeah. First fish of the day, a beautiful smallmouth bass. There we go, guys. That's our first fish today. Smallie, probably about 15 inches long. I'm gonna let this one go. See ya, bud. Whoop. That's a fish. There we go. Oh, that's a big fish. That's a big fish, or whatever it is. Yep, something huge. Go. Nah, I'll just drag him on the rocks. Oh, it's a huge bass that I snagged. Yeah, I snagged it though. It's huge. Oh, look at that sucker. Oh my gosh. What a tank. Oh my gosh. I hooked him illegally though, and look at where I hooked him. That thing's humongous. Look at that, you guys. That might be the biggest bass I've ever caught in my life. Guys, look at this fish. That thing's probably 20 inches long. What a hog. But I hooked him here, so we're gonna let him go really quickly. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this tank of a bass. That's definitely a personal best bass for me. This thing's huge. All right. Goodbye. Nice. I think I'm gonna go behind the boat for a little bit. Try a new spot. Here we go. What's up? All right, we're in a new spot. See if we can hook anything down here. Oh, there's a fish. Oh yeah, way out there. Oh, this is huge. Whatever this is, it's huge. Way out behind the boat. Let's see if we can get this thing in here. Hopefully not snagged. Hopefully caught the right way. Oofda. A lot of head shakes. Come on, be a big walleye. Big walleye, let's go. Come on. What are we gonna get? It's a sheep head. Lame. But a fish. On the beach. catch. Yes. That's so fun. All right, let's get him here. What up? Yeah. I got two casts, bit twice, so
Nice.
I'm guessing there's a ton of these out there.
I'm gonna give these to you on Saturday. It's the only thing I get a bite on.
Okay, I mean, I'm kind of fishing some like that, but I'm running out, so that helps me a lot.
The only thing I get a bite on. Sheep head,
Nice.
everything.
Thanks a lot,
So,
dude. I
no
appreciate it.
problem.
All right, guys. Sheephead. That's our first sheephead of the day. Not necessarily the target species, but a great fish. All right, let's put the sucker back. And in we go. And swim. And swim. There he goes. All right. Nice. All right. Well, let's throw the orange guy back out there again. Then maybe I'll switch to one of these white ones that Travis, a Driftless Outdoor Dad fan, gave me. Thank you so much, Travis, and thanks for being a viewer. We'll probably give that one a try in a minute here. Awesome. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, it's getting pounded again. That's got to be a bluegill in shallow. There, we're on. I don't know. Let's see what we bring in here. Get out of that tree. It's oh yeah, big old bluegill. Look at that tanker. What a beautiful, huge bluegill out here. Wow. That's awesome. One of those bluegill you can actually stick your thumb in the mouth. This thing's huge. Look at that huge bluegill. Awesome. We're gonna let this one go. For sure, I'm not keeping fish today. Oh, the sun came out. What a beautiful day. All right. Goodbye, Mr. Bluegill. Oh, there he hit. There, I got him. Little, not big. This was not the fish that bit before. This is gonna be a little bass. That's awesome though. There we go. That's my third bass of the day. This one's kind of boring. Doesn't have a lot of color. Pretty small. But it is a fish. There he is. Little one in the sun. All right. See ya. I'm gonna do one more worm on this one before I get out of here. Oh, there's one. Oh, I got pounded. Missed him. Darn. There he hit again. Oh, I got him this time. All right. Oh, it's a big pike. Oh, a huge pike. Oh, I really want to land this pike. This thing's massive. Oh, he's huge. Oh, I got to get this in. This thing's humongous. No, don't spit me. Don't spit me. Don't spit me. No. No, 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 no. Oh, no, 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 no. Get over here. Get in. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, look at that thing, dude. That thing's massive. Oh my gosh, what a tank. Are you kidding me? Oh. Oh, this thing's humongous, dude. Oh. No, 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 no. Stop, stop, stop. Oh, this thing sucks. What a huge fish. Oh, look at that sucker. This might be one of my biggest pike ever. This thing's huge. Look how long that sucker is. Look at that pike. Oh, what a huge fish. Oh, I don't even have my tape measure. Darn it. We're just going to have to imagine how long this one is. Wow. What a huge pike. That's definitely one of my biggest ones. My biggest one on the river, that's for sure. Oh, what a tank. What an awesome fish to catch. I am so pumped. Let's put this sucker back in the water here. Let's get him back in the box. Whoa! He has tons of, what an absolute river monster. Oh man. I think that's gonna end it for me here today. Don't forget to like this video if you like what you saw and subscribe for some more of my content. See you next time.